Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the ZD Toys Venom na action figure. So this is the finished product, the finished custom repainted na action figure. And tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ko ginawa yung proseso. Okay? Okay, so first step is to use Boston number 4 flat black na primer. Recommended na gumamit tayo ng primer para magkaroon ng adhesive surface yung figure. Yan. So black na siya. Usually ginagawa ko multiple thin coats ng spray paints. Alright, the next step we're going to use gray and black paint from Hero Paints. Thank you very much Hero Paints for always sponsoring our custom repainted na mga videos. Yung process na ginagamit ko rito ay dry brushing technique. So sa dry brushing, konti lang yung paint na nasa brush, tapos ida-drag lang natin siya across the surface. In that way, ang makakatch lang ang mapipinturahan lang natin na mga surfaces ay yung mga nakaangat na areas. Yung mga malalalim na areas, hindi na natin mapipinturahan yan. Alright, next step is to use white paint and a finer brush para mag-create ng logo design dun sa kanyang chest. So naisip ko rito sa logo, pag i-combine ko yung skull and the Venom logo. So niliitan ko yung skull. Usually kasi pag skull yung ginagawa ko, ano siya, oversized dito. Mas niliitan ko pa na onte and then mas niliitan ko yung skull para mayroong space for the Venom logo on both sides. Okay, after the white, gamit naman tayo ng black para i-drawing yung teeth, nose, and eyes. For the head sculpt naman, sa face niya, yung eyes will be white and yung teeth will also be white. Tapos yung tongue din, uh, pinaint din natin ng white. Kasi gagawin natin yan reflective na green, fluorescent green. So, white will be our base. So, kapag light yung base natin, tapos nag-apply tayo ng fluorescent paint from Hero Paints, mas vibrant yung colors. Yan, dito gagamit tayo ng fluorescent green. Okay, after the fluorescent green, fluorescent yellow naman para magkaroon ng additional color. Yan. Ganon din sa logo niya, sa chest and sa back. So mix yan ng fluorescent yellow and green. Tapos gumamit din ako ng sponge for as an applicator para i-apply yung white base. And then next na step naman ito, i-apply din yung fluorescent yellow and fluorescent green. Alright, tapos na tayo mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. Ang last na step pala na ginawa ko dito, nag-apply ako ng Bosni number 191 flat clear para for our top coat para maprotektahan natin yung paint job na ginawa natin. Yung fluorescent paints, and very vibrant yung fluorescent paints. And also kapag dark yung environment tapos meron kang blue light, talagang nagre-reflect siya. So maganda siya another display option sa inyong collection. Thank you very much Hero Paints ulit for always sponsoring our toy custom repaints. Astig ng mga pintura nila. Sobrang reflective no fluorescent paints kapag dark environment with blue light. Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!